Hello friends, today I have brought a video for mathematics which is also known as a magical subject. So today's topic is multiplication and division. So our question number 1 is multiply and divide the following. 1251 multiplied by 12. So let's multiply it. By 12. Two into 2 into 1 is 2. 2 5s are 10. 1 carry over. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5. 2 1s are 2. 1 1s are 1. 1 5s are 5. 1 2s are 2 and 1 1s are 1. Let's add them. So 2, 1, 10, 1 carry over. 2 plus 2 4 plus 1 5 and 1. So after adding and after multiplying this whole question, our answer is 15,012. So this was our answer for first question. Then our second question is we have to divide. So 4,04,092 divided by 11. So let's do it. Let's write 4,04,092 by 11. So 4 is shorter than 11, so we have to take whole 40. So 40 we will take 3 times 33 because 44 will be higher than that. So let's add them, means we have to subtract it. Let's subtract it. 0 minus 3 we can't do, so 1 will be borrowed. So this will be 10 and 7, 0. 7 is smaller than 11, so we have to copy 4. 74. 77 we will take, so it will be bigger than 74. So we have to take 6 times 66. Let's subtract it. 4 minus 6, once again we have to borrow. So this will be 6 and this will be 14. 14 minus 6 will be 8. And this will be 0. Then 0 will be copied because 8 is smaller than 11. Then 80. We will not take 88, it will be bigger. So we have to take 7 times 77. So we have to borrow and this will be 3, 0, 0 and 0. Then copy 9 and 39 3 times 33. 6 and this will be 0. Then 2 copied and 5 times 55. 55 borrow it, so this will be 7 and nothing will left here. So the answer of this question is quotient. First question, quotient, this will be 36,735. Then our remainder is 7. Now let's next question. Solve the following problem sums. A container can hold 37,827 liters of a liquid. If there are 125 such containers, then how much liquid will be stored in them? So for taking it out, we have to multiply it because it is asking for 125 such containers and there is only one container which can hold this much of liters of liquid. So let's multiply it. First we will write the statement. Liters. A container can hold is equals to 37,827. Then total number of containers we have got is 125. Then let's multiply it. Three, 7, 8, 2, 7. So this is the liters a container can hold, and total number of container is 125. Let's multiply it. Five into 7 is 35, 3 carry over. 5 twos are 10 plus 3, 13, 1 carry over. 5 eights are 40 plus 1 plus 2, 42, 4 carry over. 5 sevens are 35 plus 4, 39, 3 carry over. Then 5 threes are 15 plus 3, 18. Now with 2 sevens are 14. 1 carry over. Then 2 twos are 4 plus 1 5. 2 eights are 16. 1 carry over. Then 2 sevens are 14 plus 1 15. 1 carry over. Then 2 threes are 6 plus 1 7. Now we have to find 1. 1 sevens are 7, 1 twos are 2, 1 eights are 8, 1 sevens are 7 and 1 threes are 3. Let's add them all. 5, 7, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 7, 14. 1 carry over, 1 plus 9, 10, plus 6, 16, plus 2, 18. 1 carry over, 1 plus 8 is 9, plus 5, 14, plus 8 is 22. 2 carry over, 2 plus 1, 3, plus 7, 10, plus 7, 17. 1 carry over and 4. So, answer will be 125 containers can hold 47,28,475. So this is the answer. Now our last question. A trust distributes rupees 1,35,800 as relief fund equally to 8 patients. How much money does each patient get? So it is asking that this much money was distributed in 8 patients. So each patient from 8 patients, each patient will get how much money? So we will divide 1 1,35,800 from 8. So this is the number of patients and this is the money distributed by a trust. So let's see. Let's write the table of 8 here. First 8, then 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, then 56, 64, 72 and 80. So 1 will not go, so we have to take 2 digits. 13. Let's find 16 is bigger than that, so we have to take 1 time 8 and subtract it. Let's borrow. 13 minus 8 is 5, then 5 copy, 55, 48. So 6 times 48 subtract. We have to borrow. So 15 minus 8 is 7 and 0, 0. Because we have borrowed, so here is 4 and 4 minus 4 is 0. Then copy 8 and 78. We will take 72 9 times. 72. Subtract it. 8 minus 2 is 6 and this. Then copy 0. 60. It will come 7 times. 64. 7 times 64. So let's borrow. This will be 10, this will be 6 and 0. Then we have 0. We will copy 0 once again. And once again 7 times 50, 64. No, 7 times 60. 56. 7 times 56 will go. Now let's borrow. So this will be 4 and 0. Then 0 will be copied. 40 and 40 will go 5 times in the table of 8. So there will be nothing. So now we know 1,35,800 is equally distributed to 8 patients. So let's write our answer. Our answer will be the trust each patient was given rupees. Now our quotient is the rupees given to each patient, 16,975. 16,975. So each patient was given rupees 16,975 by the trust. So friends, this was for today. In next videos we will learn more about mathematics. Thank you.